Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share how to make your own DIY liquid matte lipstick. So yeah, if you're interested then keep on watching, but before starting the video, if you're new to my channel then don't forget to subscribe and press that bell icon to get notified about every latest video update. Now let's move on to the process. Take any mixing bowl. Into this I'm going to add aloe vera gel. Add 1 spoon of aloe vera gel. You can use whatever brand you are comfortable with. Here I am using Patanjali Saundarya Kesar Chandan aloe vera gel, but you can also use a green color aloe vera gel also. Next I am going to add 1 spoon of rose water. So after adding both the ingredients, then mix it well. Once it is mixed well, and to this I'm going to add almond oil. Just add 3 to 4 drops of almond oil, that's it. If you don't have almond oil with you, then you can also use coconut oil or olive oil, it's your choice. So that's it, it's enough. Next I'm going to add this lipstick, bullet lipstick, but you can also use any food color or any loose eyeshadow. I'm going to add a sufficient amount of this red color lipstick. Actually my idea is to make a pink color matte lipstick, so I'm going to add this red color one. If you add eyeshadow, then use dark pink color shade. So after adding this lipstick, give it a very good mix. Actually it takes some time to mix with all the ingredients. So now this lipstick has completely mixed with this all the ingredients. Next I'm going to add Pond's baby cream. So going to add this much of baby cream. It gives a very good texture to your matte lipstick. So mix it well. Finally I'm going to add baby powder in this liquid matte lipstick to make it a matte. Again adding some more baby powder. And mixing it well. Now our matte lipstick is ready. Now I will swatch it on back of my hand so that you can see how it works. It's such a pretty pink color, you can see. It's surely very pigmented and I like the shade. So now I'm going to transfer this in airtight container. You can store it for more than a month. So this is how you can easily make matte lipstick at home. I hope this video may be helpful for you guys, and if you like my channel then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next video, see you, bye.